A good knife set is an important toolkit in your kitchen, and when you have the right knives for the task, slicing and dicing will become a delight. To help you find the best, we have listed the top 5 of the best kitchen knife sets in 2022, considering your needs and budget. So without further ado, let's get started. When it comes to the best professional knife set, so you can never go wrong with the Messermeister Elite Starter Set. Messermeister Meridian Elite Knife Collection defines tradition with a triple rivet, full exposed tangle handle. They are one-piece, hot drop hammers forged from a single billet of the finest German stainless steel alloy and fitted with the most durable industrial strength ergonomic handle in the world. Coming designed with a wider blade, it facilitates a better push cut by creating an increased natural arc through forward motion, and its 3-step 15-degree elite edge is hand-stropped on a cloth wheel, creating the sharpest possible cutting surface on an edge tool. The set consists of an 8-inch chef knife with an extra wide blade for smooth rocking action, a 6-inch utility knife, and a 3.5-inch paring knife. Next is HENCKELS. This HENCKELS is a starter knife set that includes 3 versatile knives that are perfect for a wide variety of applications. It comes with an 8-inch chef's knife, a 6-inch utility knife, and a 4-inch paring knife for making more precise cuts. Its blades are made from stainless steel with triple rivet handles, which are all dishwasher safe for easy maintenance. And when it comes to handles, it offers an ergonomic traditional triple rivet handle that provides balance and comfort. Next is Shun Classic. This Shun Classic set features beautiful Damascus-clad blades with D-shaped pack of wood handles. Each knife in the set has a VG Max cutting core with 34 stainless steel layers on each side. And when it comes to its handles, it offers handles that are sturdy, long-lasting, and moisture-resistant, while its special design of the handle makes them comfortable while chopping and provides a locomotive manner that helps the chef complete the job faster. In addition to these, it also has an 8-slot dark wood-thin design knife block with a matte finish that helps resist water splash, and these blocks are again separated from each other, which will allow the knives to stay well inside them. Next is Calphalon. This Calphalon is a 6-piece cutlery set that features sharpened technology with built-in ceramic sharpeners. It can automatically sharpen straight-edge knives every time you remove them from the block. And coming made from forged, high-carbon, no-stain steel, these knives are built to last in the kitchen. For handles, it offers a triple riveted handles that are contoured and labeled for easy identification in the block, while its full tang design provides for strength and balance. This 6-piece set includes a wood block and a great selection of core knives, like an 8-inch chef's knife, 6-inch utility knife, 5-inch santoku knife, 3.5-inch parer, and kitchen shears to get you started with essential chopping, dicing, slicing, and more. Lastly, we have the Farberware 22-piece set. This Farberware is designed to provide all the essentials in one sleek collection. Each knife's blade feature Farberware's never-need sharpening edge. It has micro serrations that make cutting easy, and coming crafted from superior high-carbon stainless steel, it also ensures durability and precision results every time. And for handles, it houses handles that are crafted from triple riveted poly for strength and durability, while its textured non-slip finish provides for sure, safe grip while cutting. In this set, you will get an 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch bread knife, 5-inch santoku, 5.5 inches serrated utility knife, 4-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, 4.5-inch steak knives, all-purpose kitchen shear, set of 5 measuring spoons, 3 spatulas, and a wood storage block as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.